Hi, I'm Nicky and welcome to this video about creating range names in Excel. Usually in Excel we refer to cells by their cell references, such as A1, and although that works fine, it's not very meaningful. Here's an example. We've got the price in B2 and the VAT rate in B4. So to calculate the VAT, we've got a formula in here, and here we go, equals B2 multiplied by B4. Let's name our cells to get something better. Click into the cell you want to name and click into this name box in the top here and just type the name you want to use, and then the most important bit, press enter. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for the VAT rate. Notice I'm not leaving a space as it doesn't like spaces or punctuation. Instead I'm using an underscore. Now that I've created the names, at any stage I can jump straight to those cells. So I click on this down arrow here in that name box and click on the range name I want to go to. Now for the clever bit. I can use those names in my calculations. So I type equals as normal, and then I'm going to start to type that range name, and you'll see I get this autocomplete list appearing. And I just click on the one that I want. Then same again for the other element. Then press enter to complete my formula as normal. The thing I love about range names is they turn formulas from something cryptic into something really easy to understand. And they're particularly great when you're sharing spreadsheets with colleagues. Thanks for joining me today. For more ways to improve your productivity at work, go to happy.co.uk.